Hey guys, it's Tasha Unleashed, and I'm going to be making taco pockets for the first time.
Wrong.
But first, you want to make some ground beef, and you want to season it the way you like to season your taco meat. I like to use chili powder and garlic powder, some salt, and just a dash of salt, and Knorr or a Maggi beef seasoning. Okay, you want to taste? Blood. Good, Elijah?
Sure. Come on, Mommy.
Alright, so now we're going to start making
This.
No. Now we're going to start making the pockets. First, we're going to mix a little bit of flour. About 3 tablespoons of flour. With about a tablespoon of water. We don't want it to be too watery. We want it to be just right. So we get like a paste. Alright, so to make the pockets, we're going to actually cut a tortilla in half, just like that. So I'm going to do it the easy way. Just going to stack them all on top of each other. And I'm going to just cut right down the middle. There, done. Alright, so next, we're going to put the toppings in and all of that. It's pretty easy to fold them up. All you have to do is fold one side in and fold the other side on top. You get a nice cone. We need them to stick together. So I will take some of that paste and put it on the edges. So we're going to take some of the cheese. Just a little bit, because we don't want to overstuff it. And then we're going to fold it up. And now, I'm going to take about half a spoonful of meat. Maybe just a little bit more. Let's see how far we can push it. Okay, that might be too much. Alright, because now we got to close it up. So just spread that paste on one of the sides and seal it together. And that's it. While making these, make sure that you press down pretty hard when you seal the tortilla, because the tortilla is so thick, it doesn't glue as easily as like a more thinner pastry. So you really need to press down hard to really seal it.
Or else the tortilla is going to pop like the balloon.
Yeah. So now it's time to fry them and seal them together. Hold at the very edge so you can gently lick that. And you're just gonna fry them until they get golden brown on both sides. And it should only take about a minute or two each side. That's our delicious finished product.
You guys might wish you were here. And if not, make it yourself if you're hungry. It's not our fault.
Are you guys ready to taste?
I'm already getting one.
Don't do it. Okay, come on, Elijah.
They were good.
You like them?
You like
See you
it,
next
Granny?
time.
Granny likes it. Do you love it, Granny? She loves it. Would you?
This is my fifth one.